Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Bluetooth speaker to this phone. So first of all we need to turn on the Bluetooth speaker.
Your device is ready to pair.
Yeah, now we need to pair the speaker to our phone. For this we need to enable the Bluetooth in this device. For this, go to settings. From the control panel also you can easily enable the Bluetooth. Okay, tap on the option connections. So here you can see the Bluetooth. Now the Bluetooth is already enabled. Tap on this one. Just wait. Tap on this one. So just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the available Bluetooth devices. You can see here, and from here you need to select your Bluetooth speaker name. Okay, so here you can see the speaker Stone 352. This is the Bluetooth speaker name. Now we need to pair this one. For this, tap on this one. Now confirm this option for the pairing request. Tap on the option pair.
You're now connected to both Stone.
Yeah. Now the Bluetooth speaker is successfully connected to this phone. You can see connected for calls, audio and audio. 60% battery remaining. So simply in this way you can connect the Bluetooth speaker to this phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.